Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bottom app. First, you'll want to download the app from your preferred app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Once installed, simply open it up and create a new account or log in if you're a returning user. The initial setup is quick, taking less than 1 minute. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is your central hub for all activities. The Bottom app features a streamlined interface with 5 distinct navigation tabs at the bottom, making it incredibly easy to switch between functions. To add a new item, simply tap the plus icon, usually found in the center. You can quickly create tasks, events, or even quick notes. The integrated calendar provides a clear overview of your schedule, allowing you to manage your next 30 days with ease and set up to 10 daily reminders. One of the best aspects of the Bottom app is its flexibility. You can personalize your experience by choosing from over a dozen themes and fine-tuning your notification preferences to suit your daily rhythm. Organize your tasks and notes using custom tags and create unlimited folders for better categorization. For even greater efficiency, integrate the app with up to 3 of your favorite productivity tools, ensuring all your work flows together smoothly. To get the most out of the Bottom app, remember a few key tips. Always use the powerful search function to instantly locate any task, note, or event, saving you valuable time. Make it a habit to review your completed items weekly. This helps you track your progress and celebrate achievements. Finally, ensure your data is regularly backed up to the cloud. This simple step protects your information and makes it accessible across all your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.